Hello, in this video I'm going to do this practice, quadrilateral problems on the coordinate plane. Okay, so the first question is, you are graphing rectangle A, B, C, D in the coordinate plane. The following are three of the vertices of the rectangle. A is on -5 and -8. So this is -5, -8. B is -5 and 0. C is -2 and 0. And D, what are the coordinates of point D? Okay, so we know that on the y-axis, point D and point A are on the same level because AD is a horizontal line, so the y coordinate of point D is -8, and the x of the B and A is also the same because line AB is on the same x-axis, so it is on -5. No, sorry. The x of D and C, no, okay, I made a mistake. The x of D and C is the same. The x of C is -2, so the x of D is also -2. So the coordinates of point D are -2 and -8. Okay, because C is -2 and the x. Okay, so the distance. Okay, so we know the coordinates of point D. The coordinates of point D are -2 for the x-axis and -8 for the y-axis. Okay. Rectangle ABCD is graphed in the coordinate plane. Following are the vertices of the rectangle. Okay, so let me grab a grid of the coordinate plane. Okay, so point A is on 5 and 5, so this is point A. X is 5 and Y is 5. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Okay, so this is point A. Point B is in 7, 5. X is 7. Okay, so let me this is 5 and 5. Point B is in 7 on the x and 5 on the y. Okay, so this is point B, 7 on the x and 5 on the y. Point C is 7 on the x-axis and -1 on the y-axis. So this is point C, 7 and -1. So D is on x5 and y -1. This is point D, 5 and -1. Okay. Given these coordinates, what is the length of side BC? Let's see. side BC, okay, the distance from this the y coordinate of point B is 5, okay, and the distance from 5 to the 0 is 5, and we have another distance of one more to get to the bottom right corner. Okay, so the total distance of this side is 6. This is the length of side B, 6 units. Okay. Does coordinate S or coordinate T represent a greater number in the following parallelogram? Okay, so we see that this point here is an x of 0. So t, which is the x coordinate for this upper right corner, is greater. T is greater than 0 because it is to the right of this point. And the s is also representing, the s is the x coordinate of this point. Okay, so the x is the x coordinate of the blue point, and the t is the x coordinate of the yellow point. So we see that the t is greater than 0 because it is to the right. If I draw a vertical line going down from the upper right corner, okay, it's vertical. Okay, so we see that t is to the right of 0. So t is greater than 0, and s is to the left of 0. So s is smaller. S is less than 0. So s is less than t. S is smaller than t. And s is also smaller than -2 because -2 is the x coordinate of this point, the upper left corner. So s, we know that s is not only less than 0, it's also less than -2. So it is clearly smaller than t. Okay. So t represents the greater number. Okay. Okay, next question is, you are graphing rectangle A, B, C, D in the coordinate plane. The following are three of the vertices on the rectangle. Okay, so let me draw this on the coordinate plane. Okay, so we have 3 points. The A is on -7 and -7 and -2. So this is point A. A is -7 and -2. Point B is on 3. The x coordinate of point B is 3 and the y coordinate is -2. So this is point B. It has the coordinates of 3 and -2. And C has the coordinates of 3 and -5. 3 and -5. So this is point C. So B is 3 and -2, and C is 3 and -5. What are the coordinates of point D? Okay, so we know that point D needs to be on the same level as point C because we are talking about the rectangle. Okay, and it needs to be on the same level of C and on the same x coordinate as point A. So this is point D. It has the coordinates of -7, same x coordinate as point A, and same y coordinate as point C. So the coordinates of point D are -7 and -5. -7 and -5. Good. Okay. Thank you for watching, and on the next video I'm going to take quiz number 4. Quiz number 4 will be about polygons and the coordinate plane, and I hope to see you in the next video.